Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious crispy chicken taquitos. These are the ingredients. And we start off by cooking our chicken. I'm going to put this in my Instant Pot. My chicken is a little frozen. We're going to add our onion, just 1/4 of onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, and we're going to add 3 cups of chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can just add 3 cups of water, okay? We're also going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, just like this. You can do this in the stovetop also, but it's going to take a little longer. It's going to take about 40 minutes or so. We seal our Instant Pot and we pressure cook for 20 minutes. I'm doing this because my chicken is frozen. Just thought it only takes 12 to 15 minutes. We boil water and we add our chile serrano and we boil for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, we add our green tomatoes and we also boil them for another 5 minutes. In a hot pan, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil and we're going to add the 1/4 of onion and 2 garlic cloves. This is going to give our green salsa a delicious taste. We're going to do this for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion is soft and our garlic cloves are golden brown. When ready, we just set it aside so we can add it to our blender. And the green tomatoes and the chile are ready. See how they're yellow? That means they're ready, okay? We're gonna remove them before they get sour. The chile serrano is optional. If you love spicy food, you can add 2 or 3 chile serrano. We're going to go to our blender and we're going to add our green tomatoes and our chile serrano. I'm also going to add a bunch of cilantro, the onion and the garlic that we just cooked, and a little bit of chicken broth. You can add water if you don't have chicken broth. I'm also going to add chicken bouillon and salt. I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of each. And we're ready to blend this. And voila guys, we have our green salsa. Now we're going to dice the 1/2 of onion that we have left and 2 Roma tomatoes. We're going to be adding this to our chicken, okay? And our chicken is ready. We're going to turn off our Instant Pot and we're going to vent. Be careful because it's hot. Once the valve is down, it is ready to open up. And this is how it looks. It's ready to shred. Now I'm going to give you guys a good tip that I got from Jordan Page. You can follow her on Instagram or on YouTube. We are going to be shredding our chicken with a cake mixture. Yes, you heard right. Our chicken is hot, we don't have time, so we're just gonna grab a cake mixture like I'm showing you here. We're gonna press down and we're gonna shred that chicken fast. And it is just perfect. Now we're gonna head over to a hot pan in the stove. We're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth that I have left from the chicken that we just cooked. And we're gonna add our tomatoes and the onion that we just chopped. We're gonna let this cook for about 5-10 minutes until soft. And then we're gonna be adding our shredded chicken. And then we start adding our shredded chicken. We mix it, we give it a little stir. Now we don't want this to stick to our pan, so what I'm doing here is I'm adding chicken broth. The reason I'm adding chicken broth and not oil, it's because we're already going to fry our chicken taquitos. So I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy over here, okay? You can add as much as broth as you need. I'm also gonna add salt and pepper to this, and I'm gonna stir and combine everything together. I am gonna let it cook for about another 10-15 minutes, just so all the flavors combine together, okay? And our chicken is ready. Now we're gonna head over to a hot pan and we're gonna heat up our corn tortillas, okay? They have to be soft so they don't break. I am not adding anything to the pan, it's just a hot pan, and I'm just putting the corn tortilla there for about a minute or so on each side until soft. And we're gonna keep them warm, okay? So we are ready to make our taquitos. Okay, in another hot pan, we add our olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have. We're gonna add about a cup to a cup and a half of oil so we can start making our taquitos, okay? Okay, and this is how I like to make my taquitos. I get my soft corn tortilla that we just warm up, and I add the mixture of the chicken that we just did, and we just start rolling it up just like I'm showing you right here. And we just keep doing this until our chicken is gone or until our tortillas are gone. And this right here is what I like to do, so when we fry them, they don't come apart, okay? I get my taquitos just like I'm showing you right here with the ends together, and then I just put a toothpick through it, just like this. And then that will be ready to be frying and it doesn't come apart. You can do 3 maybe, or just 2, just like I'm showing you right here. And it's perfect, it works. We head over to our pan and we start frying them. Once they're golden brown, we turn them over so they can fry on the other side. And we just repeat and repeat. And once they're golden brown on both sides, we get them out. We put them on a paper towel so it can absorb all the extra oil. And we just repeat with all of them, okay? And this is how I like to put my taquitos together. First of all, I take off the toothpicks, very important. I then like to add lettuce, a lot of lettuce, and then I just add the Queso Cotija. You can add queso fresco, you can add tofu or mozzarella, whatever cheese you have. But this one is really, really good. I also like to add crema, which is table cream. You can add sour cream if you like. And that one on the picture is the crema that I like to use. I then add the salsa that we just did. It is delicious. You can add as much as you want, as less as you want. But guys, this is so delicious, okay? And voila, we have our crispy chicken taquitos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment below. And that's it. Enjoy, guys. Bye.